University and college admissions have changed, and so should your applications. Universities have faced many challenges in the transformation of their admissions process, adapting to remote and virtual processes and increasing fairness and transparency in the way that student applications are evaluated. There are two polarizing imperatives that admissions teams are addressing in their process. Number one, increasing standardization in applicant evaluation. Number two, broadening the evaluation of applicants to include a more holistic profile of the applicant and what they can bring to the university. With videoBIO Campus, admissions teams can use video questionnaires and other digital video-based assessment methods like video essays, video assessments, and other document and portfolio submissions that provide admissions teams with a standardized yet well-rounded review of each applicant. Admissions teams are also seeking to streamline their application steps into a more automated and efficient process that includes the option for self-scheduling of live video interviews and automated assessment of submitted application documents. Knowing the status of all admissions programs by applicant in one place allows all admission team members to access the same information remotely, collaborate, assign tasks, and evaluate applicants efficiently. One of the most popular additions to the admissions application is the video application, or the one-way video interview. Let's take a look at how this works. From here, you will be invited to register for the video application step using your application ID. Once that is submitted, you will be asked to verify your email with the email that came to you in your inbox, and then you will be redirected to the sign-in page to sign into your dashboard. Take a moment to bookmark the link to the page in case you need to come back to it. Once you sign into your account, you will come to the dashboard. On the left, you will see your video application invitation with the deadline. In the center, you will see a video tutorial that you should watch, which provides tips on how to set up and prepare for the video application. When you are ready to start your video application, you can click on Start on the left. You will have the opportunity to review the 3 questions at the beginning, and then you will be invited to do a connectivity test and practice a recording to check that you are happy with the recording and audio. Then you can proceed to the actual application questions. There are 3 questions and you have 2 minutes to record each one. But remember that you only have 1 recording attempt, so be sure to be ready when you start. Once you have completed all 3, you will get a congratulations notification at the end. You will also receive an email confirmation of receipt of your video application. After completing your video application, you will not be able to access your account again. Finally, you do not have to respond to the video application on your first login. You can log into your account multiple times up to the deadline. When you are ready to submit your video application, just make sure you don't miss the deadline. This can be added into your process as part of your core application or as a second stage recorded interview, with a streamlined process that invites students to complete their video interview by an assigned date for review by the admissions teams. Want to automate 1 or more steps in the process? Set up self-scheduling for students to book their own interviews, or set pass-fail thresholds for each document submitted. Create your application workflow your way. Add your interview questions and other documents required, set an expiry date, send out invitations to applicants by email, invite them to log in to access their invitation details, review status, evaluate applicant submissions, invite applicants to the next step in the process. Admissions application review just got a little easier. Book a demo with us to learn more about how videoBIO Campus admissions can work for your program.